Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I am planning for the week beginning August 16th to the 22nd using this kit from Caress Press. It is a mystery kit. I can't remember what month it was, but I'm trying to read it, but I can't see it. But I bought it a la carte and it came with this foil bundle. So obviously pairing it with holographic foil. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. As usual, I'm gonna let you guys watch me lay down my base, and I'll be back for the day by day. This week I was 12 weeks pregnant, so I think this is the week that I was kind of like, I think I had my first scan this week, and I was like, okay, yes, I'm definitely pregnant. I've seen the baby. There's one baby. I can start slowly telling people and not really hiding anymore. But I didn't tell that many people because I kind of wanted to tell people in person, and because we wasn't really seeing anyone, many people didn't know I was pregnant for a long time. But that's besides the point. I did a really fun hack in the base this week, and I used a toolbox and folded it over, but put sidebar stuff over it rather than putting a full box over it. I wanted to try something out, and yeah, so as I said, I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down my base, and I'll be back for the day by day. Enjoy. So now for the day by day. So starting with Monday, I used this Stocking You Design to go on a couch to note being really, really tired. I then wrote to go into my mum's house using this house sticker from the kids. I then marked taking a nap with another Stocking You Designs girl sleeping on the couch. So no, taking a nap as I said. And then I noted doing my hair with this comb and scissors icon from the foil bundle. I think I braided my hair this day. I don't remember though. Down in the bottom half, I marked watching Buffy the Vampire Slayer with this Buffy sticker from Jalen Paper Co. I then marked a Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Olive Studio and a Plan With Me binge script from Planner Hannah. I believe I marked it that way the rest of the week as well. I then marked a YouTube binge sticker with a YouTube sticker from Sticky Packs and a YouTube binge custom script from Casey's Creation to mark that. I then used a TV icon from Kit to mark watching Love Island with my husband. Moving on to Tuesday. At the top of Tuesday, I use our alarm clock icon from the foil bundle and an up early script from Planner Hannah to note being up early. I then marked doing some grocery shopping with this Nana sticker with a mask and a grocery script from the kit. I marked speaking to my brother with a phone icon from the kit. And then I marked going to my mum's house with this house icon from GP Studio. This was the day I had my first scan, which obviously I didn't mark in this planner because at this point I was not telling anyone, and I thought I would be uploading the videos closer to the time because I filmed these videos like the week after it happened, but I'm only editing it now in March 2022, so obviously I was very behind, but I've caught up now. This is the last one I have to do, and then I have to film the rest that I didn't film. But anyways, forget about that. Now I've lost my train of thought. Okay, on the second half of Tuesday, I used this car sticker to note being stuck in traffic. I then marked finishing my hair with this scissors and comb icon from the kit. I marked watching Buffy again with this angel sticker from Jalen Sticker Co. And then I marked eating Bims with a burger icon from the kit. On to Wednesday, I marked taking a nap with this nap queen icon from the Honey Bee shop. Then I marked eating some jollof rice with this rice sticker from Planner Hannah. I marked picking up my brother and nephew from the airport with an airplane sticker from the kit. I then marked playing with my nephew with this Nana and Son or the babysitting sticker from Papershire. I marked going to my observation with this girl from Fox and Pip and an observation script from Bella Plan Ella. I used my code ADIA215 for 15% off. I used a play button from Sticky Perks and a YouTube binge script from Kinsey's Creation. And then marked watching Love Island with this girl from, what's it called? Sweet Ava's Paper. To note watching Love Island. And then I noted ordering KFC with chicken icon from Planner Hannah. Moving on to Thursday. So on Thursday, I marked being in my feelings with this grumpy girl from Joy of Planning and my in my feels custom script from Kinsey's Creation. I then used a house sticker to note going to my mum's house. A house sticker is from GP Studio. I then marked eating bagels for breakfast with this bagel sticker from Sticky Perks. I marked finishing my hair. How long did it take me to do my hair? Oh my goodness. Finishing my hair with this blow dry sticker from the kit. Used this this Nana reading to a child sticker from Papershire to note more playing with my nephew, and we were doing some reading. That's why I used that picture, that sticker. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. I then used a planner icon from the foil bundle and a Plan With Me binge script from Planner Hannah to note Plan With Me binge. I then used another planner sticker from the kit to note memory planning. Then I used a switch icon from the kit to note playing with my switch. Moving on to Friday. At top of Friday, I used a Nana and Baby sticker from Papershire to note playing with my nephew again. I then used these trainer stickers from GP Studio to note going to the park with him. I used this cutlery sticker icon from Creativity and Ink to note eating some kebab. And then I marked with these things called these weight stickers from the foil bundle. I marked my husband going to the gym. marked taking another nap with the Snap Queen sticker from the Honeybee Studio. I marked a Plan With Me binge with a planner from Olive Studio and a Plan With Me binge script from Planner Hannah. I marked the YouTube binge the same way I had it all week with a Sticky Bucks YouTube play button and a YouTube binge script from Kinsey's Creation. And then I marked watching Love Island with a girl from Sweet Ava's paper. On to Saturday. At the top of Saturday, I used this Munchkin couple sleeping in bed. Note sleeping in. The sleep in script is from Tilly's Journals. I then marked the Plan With Me binge with a planner from Kinsey's Creation and a Plan With Me binge script from Kinsey's Creation. I think I'd run out of the Plan Hannah ones, or I didn't have them with me when I was putting my stickers. I then marked a meal prep with this Mixie Cat Stuff sticker and a meal prep script from Adorably Amy Designs. I then used this Family Time vanilla sticker to note Family Time with Family Time script from Kinsey's Creation. I used this Baby Grow sticker from the kit to note playing with my husband's new niece that was born this week, I believe. Was she born this week? No, she wasn't. She was born in April. So that we went to visit them, and we told them that I was pregnant. Okay, I remember now. It's all coming back. Then I used this PS5 TV from Sticky Perks to note my husband gaming when we went back home. I then marked getting some creams with this slushy sticker from Planner Face. And then I used a YouTube play button from Sticky Perks and a YouTube binge script from Kinsey's Creation to mark a YouTube binge. On to Sunday, I marked sleeping in with this couple sticker for Papershire and a sleeping script from Tilly Journals. I then marked my husband going to the gym with this Jolin Paper Co. Starshine Girl. I then marked YouTube binge the same way again with a Sticky Perks YouTube play button and a YouTube binge script from Kinsey's Creation. And then I marked doing some fun planning with a Mixie Cat Soft planning sticker. I then marked a Starbucks run with a foiled icon from the foil bundle and a Starbucks run script that looks like a SBC one. And I marked binge watching some Marvel movies, so we watched Ant-Man. So I used the Ant-Man sticker from What's More Love and Ant-Man script from Fantasy. What's that shop called? Magical Sticker Co. And then we watch Civil War, so I use a Captain America sticker from What's More Love and a Civil War script from that same Magical Sticker Co sheet. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this video. Hopefully by the time this video is up, I have filmed more Plan With Me's and you'll get more videos more up to date. Fingers crossed for me. If not, I'm sorry, I just don't have the space, or my baby's not giving me the time to film the videos. But anyways, I just showed you a wicked one, showed you what's left of the kit, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.